Hello friends, Maddie here. Today I am going to model this horse in Blender. I have already modeled this in Maya. So today I am going to try this in Blender. So both are 3D modeling software. So today I am going to model this horse in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is very simple model of a horse model in Blender. I am still learning Blender. So I am new to Blender. So this is our model. This is not a proper model, but I am still learning Blender's tools. So that's it friend, hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because in future I will upload more modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.